Smile, Josephine. Josephine, smile.
Waiting for you.
Mali eh. Ganda ko, di ba, ulit? Waiting for you.
Sige. Simulan ko na agad.
Wala talaga, tiya.
Hindi, sige, go. Waiting for your...
Dali.
Wait for your... Walang sick, walang nag-wait, walang desperate for you. The feeling to the sun. In the bar, remember early summer. It's playing on repeat, just like when we would meet. Like when we would meet. 'Cause I was born to tell you I love you, and I am torn to do what I have to make you mine. Stay with me tonight. Stripped and polished, I am new, I am fresh, I am feeling
Ganda planado.
so
Wala na to eh, kasi may punit siya na.
you and me, flesh to flesh, 'cause every breath that you will take when you are sitting next to me will bring life into my deepest hopes. What's your fantasy? What's your...
Jojo.
'Cause I was born to tell you I love you, and I am torn to do what I have to make you mine. Stay with me tonight, and I am tired. Solitary moment makes me want to come back home.
Hindi
Alam?
pa akong i-video niyo.
Oh, sige, kumanta ka na. I-post natin sa YouTube to.
Paano nga ba napasukan ang gusot na ito? Hindi naman
Bugoy, sabihin, bugoy.
nagkalaing magbabago ang pagtingin sa'yo.
Pagtingin
Ilang oras na alam?
Pugang.
Mula nang makilala ka, umikot ang mundo ko. Hindi na kayang ilihim at itago.
True?
Nararamdaman ito.
Na, Ben.
So sweet. Ay.
Paano na kaya di sinasadya? Di kayang pagtapat ang puso ko. Bakit sa dami ng kaibigan ko? Ikaw pa. Paano na kaya di sinasadya? Ba't nahihiya ang puso ko? Hirap na umibig sa isang kaibigan, di masabi ang nararamdaman.
Throwback.
Paano na kaya?
Aliyon lang ang kuya.
Moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. 'Cause I know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, ay ba? You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely.
Girl,
Don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby, and we'll linger on. Time can't erase us feelings so strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
You're late.
Ay, sorry.
You're late.
Kasi makulang kulang ay. Saan mo dati? Bawal pala yun.
That you were going to be.
Bawal.
Bawal.
Bawal yun?
Bawal.
You'll be back again.
Kulang yun ako. Pagkakasala.
Our love will never end.
Party yung kumain lang.
You'll always
Be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase your feelings so strong.
Sir, can I get a combo number one,
You're
please?
never gonna
With extra large
shake me.
fries?
Ooh, darling, 'cause
And,
you'll always be
iced tea
my
with lemon.
baby. I
Sir.
know that you'll
Sir,
be
you listening?
there. Sir, what's your order, sir? What can
Combo number one with extra large fries.
Sir,
Sorry, it's not available.
sorry, it's not available.
What kind of fast food you are?
We only have Sinok money.
Habang in kilo.
Why not try to order in McDonald's? Maybe
Okay,
they
okay.
will have your
Okay,
product.
okay.
Okay, go.
Balao! Kakanta na ako kasi naman eh. Ako nakakanta na ako.
Wherever you will go.
O sige, kanta niyo. Okay.
Ayusin niyo ah.
Simula ako.
Ganun. Yan, ganun.
Dead. Ew.
Iwan ko ba?
Ano wala ka? Kadiri ka?
Yap, hi. Charot.
Ayup. Sabihin mo kung game na.
Get it. Pumutot ako dyan.
Pero mas na.
Ano ba yun? Ah,
Tirage.
prinit na nga kita.
Sige, game.
Chorus na yun eh. If I
Hindi, saan mo sa pisa? Kanan. Ako alam ko.
Simula.
Sulay.
Ay, okay. Gig.
Ah.
Game.
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows on your face. Every shall fall. Di ka alam yung lyric.
fall
By a soul. Stand and start. Make it on your own. If I could. Sabay niyang sayaw.
wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go.
Run away with my heart. Run away with my oh. Run away with my love. Yeah.
Kami naman, parang magdala ng boses.
Kaya naman kakanta.
Anong kanta?
Sakop ko ng agila.
Ng agila.
Sige. Sako ko ng agila. Kanta niyo kahit walang gitara.
Huwag daw masyado malakas.
Ate, 1, 2, 3.
Pugi ko ng kulay rosas, namumulkan pag hinimas-himas. At ang namumulang talulot, dinadaluhog ng mga bubugit. Masakit ang tiyan.
Tanggalin mo yung ngipin. Lagot ka. Tubos ko sa YouTube.
Bago dumating sila nanay,
Aray ko.
sumabit na sila at mama. Tapos yung gabi,
Kanta nyo naman.
tinanggal niya ng gili.
Ito.